Venda futhi uwese Venda wambariwa red bet akuiti wezvotamba zvavyo.
Venda ti
ndopochivi na Fabiani.
Ufindione kuti Fabiani yambariwa Venda ma.
Venda is a Fabiani world honey. Usi Viali zvino. Una Viali.
Viali ambariwa Mizo Fizi.
Mizo ambara Viali.
Asiyane Viali na mabogati.
Why akuita zvozvo zvithu zvavakara amutukuzo?
Viali bogati dizili. Nebuchiro ndochiziwa.
Did you for album your I saw someone posted about it.
Ai, doing ubani.
Una mtu oposta akho jema we kumbro yosedza. Ndabudzana fisi those ndarikayocheka. Oh sorry.
I mean.
Sorry.
Ufiri kweta mimi?
Ufiri kwapedza mafunga show.
Nani kori yana Tom? Anyways, that was not the pick up phone.
No. I just thought of it. And I'm like, but I read hala ni mahuru.
Zifano I saw this other message and yeah, delete. Achkambori. It's fine. Anyways.
No,
guys,
say it. What was he saying?
Achkambori fimini. Una type itaro wichiro zawatu. They are wala the foundationers.
Okay.
They are there ube mteo. Then there are those who are there ori shizono baone and they are never to dudzura.
So ni bonga bala bot robo shika ngododzura.
Ne.
Habala.
I don't know.
I don't think so because now Tom, right?
Ne maranding aba ninga word again because netungo Tom obviously.
Ini reach ingo jena guy ngoro
uri if nendichikori ndi apa
bala ndikukusora abala ba guy
limiteyo probably.
Anyways guys, people are probably so confused. In case they're phone anywhere.
Is COVID back?
I don't know.
I feel like COVID is back or it's coming back.
No, I see it. Just because Nina flu, you think COVID is back?
Everyone has flu.
Exactly, and because it's seasonal change. You are bound to have flu.
But then it's never like this.
It's always
in
like
other
this.
years.
It's always
really?
like this. Yeah.
I don't think so.
Over season each change and cough around flu. Now winter each pera rich kwa kasam and cough around flu.
Yeah,
it's all the time.
And I've never had flu. Yeah, for 8 days or 9 days.
Okay. Also, maybe now to check Cape Town. Oh, yeah. Because boots are boots. Exactly.
No, man,
the problem is the flight, my boy.
No.
Okay. I'm just saying.
Flu ndo nayo ti. Na buye nayo and richipenda ndiko phone. Yadi mudidaba yabawese futhi.
Jamba yotoma iko zvipfuri
Who told you to Cape Town?
Da, you took a flight.
So what if that debeni?
No, you wouldn't. Nyafneso driver guria mission shala ndo reira. Nika diwonere. I know polo drivers. They always want to drive. No, so you would have driven if.
It's not about that. We don't want to go there actually. One thing I've realized in Polo is so fuel efficient.
Okay, yeah.
Zabukume ela gore. Ndia vapono if you go there zabu like you 140, 180 ndasuka each car 75%.
Okay.
Havana muthu ane wasuka Polo ika half.
Okay.
And havana muthu ane ushera ajisuka Polokwane yopera. Kaguri Kuran. So you wouldn't even opt to drive where Deben.
Okay, makes sense. And I just think it's a Polo driver thing. I think we only cheering and when excited to read.
No, everyone is excited.
There's a guy that I work with who don't watch it anyways. Aji rengati. Homo divana rufu mshumoni and then have you organize wa goro your real phone.
Hey.
I'm gonna let I'm talking about KZ and fast.
Oh, more like Uko organize sort of a mini bus for everyone.
And I'm just like, who does that? So I thought it was a Polo thing, bro. I think just a fuel efficiency is like.
I wanted to drive actually.
To Cape Town. Nina Mabonyo, I know when Polo drivers buy a car, you can't contain yourself. You don't know what to do with the energy. I think you know Laura.
No, it's about this is what comes off fuel, man. Oh, you're like, okay, look at that shit, a full chain guitar, probably.
I don't know. I think it's a new car thing. I think Nandy sharing a great chance reverse.
Nandu, right?
As one.
Okay, maybe stop.
I didn't run in the run. It doesn't matter.
Really? Picanto, because you can drive anywhere. Now it seems like chief well efficient. Oh, apparently, I've heard people were food figo. Feel like go in your share a full tank guitar. In Inaponga, I doing or comes full tank, the woman 700 and Chiconi wood. So you are not share a 2.1, if not share a raro.
So I need to kiss Venda full tank.
Nah, apparently I need to kiss. Now for I've had experience with it.
Okay, it's last. I remember, we ran a long weekend. We are family. It was a Merc and a road full tank in Pretoria. The following day. Like road trips. Mario Rishikisa and the road driver for like 5 hours. So do you understand?
Drive from
a big car, like a G something. Huh?
G something.
GL, whatever. I don't know. Who's the G-Wagon? I would have put it at that.
Really G-Wagon?
No, not a G-Wagon. I was actually in the Ruburaya. I was mask.
Hey, and I don't
know for Dorwada.
Oh, no, exactly. In each of us, Cape Town. Because you want that.
I don't know. We ever okay, that one was the case.
Anyways, welcome to the Blackish Diaries. We're back. We did it. And the car, people have been crying.
Episode they got about 2 hours. You owe them.
No ways, bro. 12 hours is a lot.
Okay,
okay, I do owe you guys. We owe them.
Yeah. Guys.
Because they don't come as well. I was actually thinking about it in as much as I talk was thought then then I see you. I want to have a story. Yeah, Murumba podcast.
Yeah.
Definitely as a guest, I was like, we'll see them.
Yeah.
And then, also, guys, I've been telling a lot of people this thing. Because
a whole lot of people are opening like podcasts now. Don't know to equipment because
I feel like at this point
everybody would just get a couch and sit and talk.
Probably because
that's the thing. You're thinking of the quality that you want to deliver.
Oh yeah.
People just want and no one is there to it is like they probably would have found out through us, but we were nowhere to be found. Quality. What are you for a phone?
Oh, no, but then, anyways, guys, we're back. We're coming at you live from Panda Studios now, Diva 38 Mele Street. At least number like this Diva. 010023 29390. It has to be cash or info@pandastudios.com. No one knows you try a podcast come so file. No reason to screenshot on Mumtachiri. Black rings one.
Imagine how lazy would that be?
But then we're here now.
MacG, okay, why la camera is going to sound at the one?
Oh, walk off with us.
Urindu the one. Maras no dia to shoot an efforts and to shanda jacket.
You want to be a phone?
Okay. If you okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, don't be sure. So go ahead.
No problem. Just speak at it. Anyway, Sarah song about Pungawat. Yeah, the name is when I realize that I've been listening to a lot of radio, man, lately.
Really?
I don't know. Is it like
no, like imagine, then they forget. Like, why would I wake up and switch on the radio? Yeah.
And then the theory, you wake up so early. So you're like, then go parody on driving in. And then I'm a deco and also you listen to drive. And
fancy.
It's not fancy, man.
It is fancy.
But already you're not gonna wake up to Likompo for.
You do. Don't lie.
It was 11 o'clock, dude.
This person sends me a voice note. Got 2:11. Would you go in a
Likompo?
This kimi saka.
Yeah,
the video clock. Church go perform.
Then goes phone.
This one is another butula mugo.
Wait, don't you guys feel cold, Mariningi? That one outfit.
No, but remember hela asi house 2020 top notch. Ingango mudia pala hera yanga party hela.
The most recent one. Ndikuyombula.
Ndikango mwa pala asinda.
Mara still pepo ndi pepo. Maybe nena niko rofela vegeza kum.
Ini kumainu testiwa zvitu.
Last year.
Exactly. Nano ARV ninga ndo niko poda. Na wana nisichavana maduda. You'd get better. Like, literally.
So, man, okay, radio. I don't think radio would ever die, though. To a point in if the next week first so, not one day I'm going to read our commission one. Oh, okay, this is happening, and then we should go with Mishumo. Not one day was called Zuraya and Bashu. We want to work on a podcast, obviously. I'm sure we'll first go on a TV.
You remember how we never thought print would die, but print is dead.
What?
Print.
What's print?
Like print media, like your newspapers, your magazines. I don't think Navana Vakadit was magazine. Because slowly, and because now they know a kid can just go online at a picture of a dog and then print it out. You don't need to have a magazine. You get it. Literally, even if a dog sitting on a chair, there's AI now. It can make that for you. You can get whatever you want. So there's no need. So I don't think but eventually it might take 20 years. Imagine how Rinerina podcast in strictly we're talking about gossip or artists or whatever. There's one in politics. The
guy
that one is based in politics. Hey, you want some famous person? Like,
I don't know. I didn't know.
I know the name. I'll check it. So, obviously, Apple Music in the next 20 years, I believe like 90% of the people will probably be on Apple Music. Right?
Also, I bet with the black guy saw also on
Apple Music. Podcast, you get it. So that's the thing. Rovaka TV nga uri raronetango dictated wa uri rivone meaning achipinga. So you'd rather choose where you can post and whatever. So imagine being utechereza podcast instead. I'm sure zidoba oneza mapungo straight.
I feel like also business are colleague also with us. Because I'm going to check out those ones that are existing or coming up now. It's all the same thing. I mean,
isn't that because you don't want to like limit yourself? Remember, fear or if this is going to work out.
But then why don't you start with something different also?
Okay, for example, if I was to start something, I would probably do like a. That's
your boy.
Bro,
I knew it.
You are about to die. And then yes, you in class. No. I don't care really.
Yeah.
For example, because I love talking to women and stuff. I'm very obsessed with that part of that department. So ndingana mandaita heyo mara ngidho interview of Makazi ushkeradini.
But then I feel like in as much as into interview of Makazi, unachimwa chini nidwanchi wato amba comes related now of Makazi also not really into. It's like Rora, I want to film podcast and focus on business.
Yeah.
We have a lot of business people. But also.
But we've done that because you guessed.
But then also in another focus on business. Remember, we do each and everything. I can do someone and now I want you to do the one religion. Just that contemplate. Exactly.
Yeah, pro na con like bango believer kasa kana kwamba yoto interview abafunzi.
Like anything, what about the ancestor, all those things.
Damn,
religion stuff.
Honey, you strong.
I'm not strong. That's why I'm trying. Okay, if
my angel.
Joshika, and the ambi.
Hey, Nana.
Emma Ginya.
Gebo.
Oshika.
Go to floor number 10 at West Street. I Street. Livonelia Fungela.
1005.
1005.
I catch. They leave for food.
Udawana chingwe tanganepo. Ndimarume wawo mtu ndimulwane
ndingwane jechitu
video call aiti apendo buya kaini nofisa mwa bathu
ndiri mini mari inifuna ngangwira nari mini fareni
ashimwana shote odzura pale angaspire apelo dokakisa
kapire udwana maginya iba naye apo. Do
you want to come sit there? Ukubonana ashipira mara ka wenye asintunyi
azu go there. Isn't she the one from PLK?
Yeah, no mbonali rige
I've seen Ambra Rocky Orange Maginya. Yeah, Dar es Salaam.
Oh, sip and paint. Oh, yeah.
Nimulwane Maginya.
Nibo marume wawe. Marume.
Oh, Venda's no. Nice. Damn.
Oh, dovada.
Don't choose. It's not your condemn.
I'm a conversation. I was sorry, we'll graduate. Wait,
hey,
they fought.
I was a engineer and engineer. Why is that a way to rap?
I don't know engineer.
No, I don't know engineers are very good. You will come back. Just 5 minutes.
Anyways, Ariam, let's continue.
Did you get the... Oh, and I can know... Oh, Maradis are not getting ticket than Tuni. Zantuni. I don't know the 11 rand and music. Do you actually believe that?
No, I don't ticket Zangi. What do you fly Zangi?
He flies. He does. Yeah, he does.
Okay, no, I don't know. I wouldn't take
not according to domestic busy. No, yeah, I am too steady.
That's okay, but why would I want to go Kurengoralanga the taxi of the CIA of flights? That thing, it'll delay you Marayashuka earlier.
Which doesn't make sense, right?
It does. I think it should say yellow line.
No,
it's so fast.
Like okay, I think there was like turbulences. See, anytime. Because all of it the skies are clear in Cape Town. I mean, but then it's a bit shaky. We'll try and control it. Yeah. And then a bit. If not, it's gonna be a bit shaky. If not, it's gonna be shaky for real.
Not the one on you.
At least. Oh my God, what's happening? Because it's okay, what do they want to say now? And I just figured like, oh, what you was not lie. Not at the moment. Before. So I know all the way I'm safe. Even when I come back, I'll be safe. I feel like it does, eh? Take it 11 rand.
Oh, Baba,
no, more like in.
Oh, but Renga. This year, in my office, where I'm different. No. I mean the office in here, like the people that I work with.
Oh, there's flaws now.
Yeah. No, anyways, it's
last time I got the vegetation.
Yeah, and then
now it's like
no, the
oh, no, Mpo Chikoita. Mpo has been doing that thing also.
Who's
Mpo Chifagi? The sound guy, the previous sound guy, former sound guy. What is he called?
Well, no one I mean.
Orenga ticket.
Orenga.
I think he did. He always does, eh?
What's he wanna? Whyana? Oh. But my chat is, if you're going to buy a ticket for 11 rand, do you have money for accommodation?
Most people do make plans.
Written.
People do make plans.
And
why does Oyola airport Babuya? Like I would go to King Shark, Karaskarala, and then Rabuya, which I wouldn't do.
Shoot me. Why would I do this?
Somebody.
Do you understand? Do you understand? Like Nungo. So airport.
Just to prove it actually works. And he's proved to us it does. Because I think last year we also did that. Why would I want to prove it matter?
Oh, it's why I love you.
I don't know. I don't think Oya Lawe because Oscar Wakoreda is but Grichus check his status even get one number.
I didn't know Jumbo. I'm sure those one and I'm just serious.
And she serious.
Yes,
Viva. This is your Toyota.
Guys, my WhatsApp younger that I don't want to like. No, WhatsApp younger that.
Oh, you should do that.
No,
try that.
Delete about you.
Not to delete.
What did you do?
You
brought it up. I didn't bring it up.
Oh, no, this is one as Kanjiri Chamba. No floater. No floater.
And that's how people do it lately.
Yeah, but then.
Which makes sense to me because in the past 6 months we're not friends. I
feel like also in the past 2 months, we're also not that close. Unless you are that person and 2
months. 2 months, I can't remember one. It's not a lot. No, but remember, okay, nindina vangana vanga varsity vane hatofi ndikochata zvinovhele vakojena line ini mara ndina 2 weeks ndisambina vakana 3 weeks because remember when we plan things lately it's like yo friend are you free in October it's
yeah,
not
so I get
you
it.
Get it so every day rekwamba mini I can't talk every day to what
don't you feel like
also ni bonani ngori ndazvo machienda kumubona vele we update each other on everything
and
but
also next week in Banai
Nana musi ndikadimubona. Hauna chance. Next week.
So there is our
You really want me to go down there? I didn't stand when it could drop up before.
Those are next week.
Hey, next week in Yamba. Next week we go to Amba one.
Boy.
Whatever they were training at Ramba.
Oh, hey, when I is. Yeah, so hey, now you know already lots of so I think Ronobanga was about 50 I mean. Mara don't know tanganesa na zingwe the video katika TikTok or Instagram reels welcome sorry. If you want to get married, this is how you should choose whether a person should come to your wedding. I mean like purpose if you lost near believe kazo kandila zotori as long as nitsakonito daninga the karene have purpose yori
purpose you done purpose you give me an example of a purpose.
Raro kamba zvinozori even spoken in like 2 months. Yeah. I won't turn anything anti chamba ne dona do but still they won't come to my wedding.
You know, okay, I don't think it's about time. I think I know the important people in my life. You know, I've got aunts, they played a role in my life. Mara, I haven't seen them in over a year.
What role? I
know she's coming. You know, maybe probably growing up. I mean, it was not a must. And they would call to check up on you, maybe when you're in varsity and whatever. But they'll check up on you, they'll see you and all that, you know. So I do have people like that, and I have people that are not coming.
And then there are those
family still, and they know.
Exactly. Not about that. Oh man, when you are speaking of people they've helped you in any way before. Now they're trying to help you now, or they're starting to do so out of nowhere. Then you can tell okay, now I'm becoming successful.
I don't know, man. It depends. Like
all of a Sunday, offer yes, like 5,000, get something on a Sunday.
Okay, I mean, almost done. 5,000. That's weird.
No, our family. They could be family.
Mara also, okay.
And then now
okay, let's say as like our podcast gets to a point in where we're really, really famous, and then family because of that. I'm patched.
Maybe because they know that you are doing something you don't need a charity, they would want it.
They would want the money back.
But what about family?
That would be very awkward.
That's what what was so invited. Do you invite them to your wedding and say, we want 5,000?
No, I'm very. I don't know.
I'll buy.
I have serious trust issues.
What happens if someone decides to pay for your catering?
But that's like disrespectful to my man. What do you mean? What are you saying about my man? Honey, don't bring your money to my wedding. This is not a charity.
So has to reach you, man.
No. My chat is the only time you should get married, Naida Munyanya, is when you can afford it.
Exactly. That I get.
No. Exactly. No. It's either I have the money to get married or I don't. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Next thing you look at us, you're like, also, it's disrespectful to my person. Also, I don't think I'd get married to a person and
also, I feel like it's a disrespect to me. And if
vatu vachitokona notosola areri urufuni huko bvisi wagazata. Imagine a whole wedding unene kadiochira na vasedza. You're not dead. You still have to look at them. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't think personally I don't think munyanya utiova this any gifts. Bring me gifts.
I don't think any event should have people who are never going to support financially.
You don't have party gazata. Don't call it a party. Yeah, we're just going out. We're hanging out.
Rare society.
Hey, and then someone would mean.
Hey, so.
Yeah, you can't tell me to wear all white. What do you mean? This is my party too.
And then wait. Your bridesmaids.
Hey, like you should see. Yo, like I think we still need to address it. I think with your rengane. Yes. Don't you think?
I think so.
TikTok no, it's because please be my bridesmaid. Ini as a way of saying thank you.
Why should you say thank you?
My point exactly, because she should say thank you.
Yeah, or not end.
First of all, that is like bro, that is so embarrassing. So that is more embarrassing. You know, and then it's no jiva.
Yes.
And now I must say thank you for dancing at your wedding. I don't know. I just think Mara Bangwe Ndingori, they know what their friends can't afford, so they do it. Mara, if your friends don't mind, it's okay. Also, which is always good to have your closest people as your bridesmaids.
When you approach them, how do you even say it?
Huh?
When you approach them, do you even say, okay, come on, event, groomsmen yanga, nendo rari soti. Ndi jinisani kala topic yoru kudo badira.
Who do a group?
I mean, I can't group. I
said watch them peja sutu.
And then, I was sorry. Recordate this.
I feel 10,000.
Narwi.
Cause ufinyula J Magod Kral.
Hey.
Eliarunga.
Dura.
But his suits are good.
Arefir.
But his suits are good.
We shall always have the business, man.
I see I'm going to Mumbara, not Baroka Yomsi.
Maroka, no. Nicolas Omros.
What do you remember to Baroka? Their supporter.
Oh, I
bet supporter.
I'm going to ring us to come to Mokari.
Oh, Arabaro Chatanga. We're not doing that. If my ex went and not raise us to no, let's fly in a suit from Italy, baby. We're not doing that.
It's fine. We'll see about that.
Because people go first. Go chat.
Why not? I thought you wanted to.
I've never in my life.
Last year you did.
Never.
The same time you come as one, so
let's
you're
go
gonna get
find
pregnant.
that episode.
Because
I always say that and laugh. I never say it me. Oh, nisumunjia serious. Newemunjia serious.
I'm talking sorry. What for? Go via Kanach babe. I was like, yeah.
Oh, offended pregnancy. Damn, must be disappointing. And did you be this over and go define? Damn, offended go baby.
Yeah. So there you go, Sandri. I've been watching a lot of TikTok videos also.
You always
I'm always in TikTok.
Me too. Lately, I love it.
I don't know. Like Instagram, you were
Instagram is boring.
TikTok, there's everything.
There's everything you need.
Isn't it? How you did TikTok also no? Anna TikTok. Then varsity. Habe Tuni.
It's a cool kid.
And I feel like Nishto diversity, Wi-Fi, all those, because now we didn't have the privilege. I had the Wi-Fi. Nishto shikapa ni mani kotomo penga. You're like YouTube. Oh, there's YouTube. Oh, everything. TikTok, so I'm like, hey. Also, now to welcome content creation. Or it should be a question to you from me. Or do you think it will ever replace your professional jobs? Not replace in a sense that or never allowed to write through content creation. No, but then like I as an engineer. Not one comes or I as an engineer.
Oh gosh.
I'm actually an engineer.
Yo, it's going to be a fucking long year. Oh my word.
Yeah, so for example, I'm an engineer, right? And then that one could spend probably 80% of my time doing the podcasting because I know there's like brands coming, there's
money,
there's freedom also in it. So then Ramzana comes, she got what is it? She got paid 3 times in a day what she gets in a profession.
So do you think so your question is, do I think people are going to leave their jobs to focus on this?
Some. Those who can. Remember also it requires money for you to have that. Because that's one thing. Look at your K-arms and everything.
Nabo, Grace Mondlana.
Yeah. They need money. They needed the money. So.
It would be a very sloppy move though. Like, why would you do that?
But then it
your profession.
It's been proven or it's gonna make you money. Remember, Mshumoni is just stress and a lot of stress and nothing
Mara,
else.
with this whole thing, Mshumoni is one a lot of stress and whatever. Mara, at least before Nichi canceliwa, hearing warning number 2. In SA, one bad move, not one mutu shoprite, they cancel you. Look at Scott's Mapuma.
Then you can always go back. It takes a day.
Go back where? If we cancel you, we do. Una mass unfollowing. Unfollow.
No, you go back to your profession. Now, not your content creation.
Imagine now the hand to the damshum. Why would you want to go through that? Maybe ninganamba nato. And probably just do like freelancing. Okay, I don't know about engineering, but I can be a freelancer, like a consultant.
If I start a project, I need to finish it.
You get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. So thinking about consultant and have 3 companies and whatever, but I don't think I would leave my professional job to do that. You know what I would leave my job for? Probably events.
Oh, for the Real Housewife.
Ew. Oh, that would be cute. That's not bad.
Is that
not a bad idea?
Is that every girl's dream, man? Or a housewife?
Nemara ndikaborea first.
No, I remember when you're a housewife, as my phone was on school Ryan, you get a salon in you could lose 50,000. Like
then that's not being a housewife, you're working.
No, like in Goreta, look at you.
Mara, you still need to make sure it runs. And it's not going to make it. The business is not going to make it. So yeah, it's either you're fully okay, try it.
Oh, obviously.
Our business you know chimbida zone usini mune. Nisiyo ngangoma. Na manager ngani gidima. Come on.
Yeah.
You need to be there. Anyway, if you take a sit back, then you don't want it to run. So I do think Yone eventually maybe idojia, like although I'm just grateful you could be a lot of people from poverty because of rena problem unemployment. So that
look
that
at
helps.
Linda Mtoba. Now also Akambore, she gets 3 times what she was getting Aqua Actor.
And then look at how at work actor complain against podcasters, you know, because apparently they're not getting paid enough.
Oh, but then also, don't want this other video. Is it Mfundi Vunja?
Yeah, that guy. Wow, Gaddafi.
What generations?
Gaddafi.
No,
As Gaddafi.
I'm not sure if it's the director or the writer or whatever. The owner generation.
Okay.
I think it was a press briefing. The time I fired those guys, remember the generation those people were busy saying, I recover already that they're getting peanuts. Not enough for you guys 55,000 peanuts. That's what he's saying. Those people were getting paid 55,000
a month.
Do
you think it's enough? Look at Esposito getting paid 55,000.
I feel like it becomes to a brand that you build for yourself.
Yeah, it's not. I don't think it is.
Not just the brand, also the lifestyle name for if
una a normal job that's getting paid that amount, ane angoduma ana pressure angadzurana tembisa if she wants to. Mara ini, you put me on television, now I'm famous. I can't just drive anywhere. I can't take a taxi because I'm famous. And you want to give me money in a renga grocery boulders because I can't afford to stay in Santon.
But then it sounds like
it's
a you problem.
It's not a you problem.
No, it is, trust me.
No, I just think TV needs to take people more serious. They need to understand or put it on
remember,
TV.
55,000, even, okay, not even back then. Now, you know, if you was like, okay, I can survive.
You can survive.
Trust me.
Not as a Sposito. Imagine Sposito as my neighbor.
Yo!
No!
I remember I gave up an actor.
Jack Mabaso. Ndichitangana na dustbin and don't want to make it make sense.
Yeah.
Just bring and probably an intern or something. Come on.
No, because it's not going to be a minute. But I'm going to the title in a story. Because I don't think.
What we
who should I use it? Look at Munimis. All right. Sorry for using this one. Look at Munimis. What? Can you do better?
I don't do personal.
Yeah, and like look at your Munimis. All right. I've actually drawn Timbisa even. No one would have a problem with it.
And you know why? Look at Munimis' character. Oba Gaika TV. Exactly. You can't put me in a mansion. No. I but at least let it be across the road.
Then I remember not that long actor. Just because I gave a better role doesn't mean in queen opera in. Just because in Nishma figure I didn't give an office parks, all those things doesn't urnams in stop vangamnango. Ninga the range vapalango to for a training.
The exploitation era media.
No, recollection is a example of 55. Obvious about not go for the 2000.
Exactly.
No ramba. Then come
on 55 in Gorindinjis and you know so that was probably a Jack Mabasos or Carabos or someone up there.
Mara probably around.
Pongolo.
Tule
I don't know, but I'm saying still.
Yeah, so let me go for it. Marandiko Ramori, Enacham Ori, Avalatote, Nandiko for 55. So there's a chance you're watching about 40, probably 30.
Okay, let's break down 55, right? You're earning 55K.
Let's break down your salary.
You're a Jack. I don't have a salary. I'm volunteering.
I got him the 55. Arim
the 55. You're a Jack Mabas. You live in let's not even go far. I really need to Bryanston. Let's say 15. 17,
15.
right?
So you're left with 40.
Okay, so you're left with 40. See? Arivise in a 15-year Gurui. It's probably a BMW. Because you're not gonna drive a Ford Figo.
So then Pamara. feel like it's a mentality never katoyano. Nisongofanga nikuchira buchiro hachitori. That's why I'm remembering stangana na
they're making so much money through them, which
it's
is why
it's everywhere.
They had to go find him and bring him back.
Because
viewership equals. So meaning, if I bring that much value, why not pay me for my value?
And how long about twist was? I'm value cover also.
Yes, I should plan.
I don't know.
Exactly.
I've never watched Generations in the Marika deva after all these years.
TV ina cherede. Mgana ukuitwa
Everywhere
cherede. And people are not being given their money.
I'll just beep it. Because look at your Deloitte and PwC. Those businesses don't as Airbnb. What they do, but Jerry as engineer, but Jerry as lawyer, but Jerry as marketing, what when group of people then they get clients. In a client thing, I have like 2 billion. Come by the engineer, ideators or so. In engineer no rari. Na for 70,000. That's it done. So
that's true.
So
but at least a new TV ni ninga 70,000. Ninga zirona Venda.
Tezeni zina conversation. But we're going to do it when we ngori. Before we start to chira na busta nda TV.
Which no, mara zidanazo.
Look at Murumba. The guy lives a normal life.
Yeah, he does.
Never fool. I think bachira normal. Just
I've never met Mudau. I think don't meet Havafu. I've seen him.
He looks normal also.
Don't you think the ngori batsi narine? But Venda, so see them all the time.
Nah, you think they are normal?
But I'm sure when they go somewhere, they can't breathe because they're seeing the suits. They think they're very clean. They're like, hey, these are fancy men. Do you get it? So they are fancy to other people. To some extent.
Yeah, so I feel like like you should be able to like swallow pride with a female if in our 3-bedroom, say for an example, can I partner? Bedroom, can even one. Just for space matter 2 would do it. And for in the shop, what to write? Our nana problem. How train is there?
Too many get the money. Then I want to see where you will stay with them.
No, come if that one 55 also in the furniture and dinga ya home. Mara dingas those kind of quarter and reverse kaban korede kana ndi.
But money is never enough. That's the
thing. Exactly, that's the thing. So nishto 100 and ko move and ko nya.
And oyo mtu acha to yambara Mr Prices ngoro udutuna na be na dio atiyo bakufodwa na be uskuvashto jeno skala chiva.
I think it has got to do with pride na positions and apiwa mishimo ne last.
Don't put people on TV if you're not going to help them maintain the status you're going to give them, bruh.
That's my chance. Then, if that's the case.
I don't know story charity.
They looked awkward.
I never meet them. But he does. You know the only person who I don't want to go Pande.
Oh.
The rest, I just don't know.
Pande is cute.
Pande is gorgeous. And she is so sweet.
What do you mean?
Like she's a girly's girl.
What do you mean sweet?
Hey, why you doing this repeat? Hey, why you go blush? No, she's such a girly's girl. Like girly's girl in the other levels, then when they will. You know what I'm saying, man.
I don't know. Please, hey, Pande is beautiful.
A girly's girl is someone that's just nice for no reason. Hana reason. You're a nice kind because you're a nobody, you know. But she's very nice. I remember the one with Sanga Gamma with Yauzos, you know, your prices on his ads in Tessa, but yeah. I wanted to do braids. Hey, wait, Jules. You know Jules? It's a salon. You know it. Msadzwa Musa.
Oh, Elantian.
It's a braid.
I was surprised. No,
and then you already 2.5. Not the that. I'm doing this.
Oh.
And Murumba. But to send that.
That's very familiar, like Jules.
Okay, 6,000 rands. It's a lot of money. But anyways. But yeah, so she is a girly's girl. And yeah, she's a nice person.
Yeah, she's
I think, oh, don't know me now, you. Terry.
And I'm full, eh?
No.
No, okay, not in that way. You get what I mean, guys. Just like Nandini Chifuna Pande.
No. This is different. This is way different.
The same thing.
Okay, it's fine.
There's some relationship go shoot at you. She just goes to the score. She go feel like my
mind. And it's voice here soft. You come back to your band. Yeah, she's gorgeous, man. She's amazing.
She's really gorgeous, man. She must come back. Yeah, she must come back.
Utonga una features ononga Dumantando. And the personality as well.
I'm not sure about the personality.
And what they what they've made it like they've done so well for themselves.
Oh, Dumantando because she married Una
Rams, yes.
Yeah, so is that what you mean, Uri? They made it?
No,
I'm just
marriage
asking.
is not making it. I'll never say to a woman you made it because she got married. And you made, I mean.
I don't know.
But never because madam says, it's not like.
Because he has Vatle.
Yeah, because what was it? I mean. Okay, what's funny? Hey, this guy is such a horrible person. You are such a horrible person. What was this? I mean,
no, so don't I mean.
No,
man, it's fine. Let's let it pass.
No, I'm glad Omar and go clear the allegations. But why would you is he straight?
But then what does Umara mean? How many people
or you can
mean?
still be.
Yeah, you can do both.
But I don't think he is.
Yeah, you just don't think. I also don't think he is. I also don't think he is, Mara.
You find another son, high school.
Yeah, and that's all Zumba and Drew. She said, "Wondinji, the phone."
But I don't think so. Not Una, bruh.
No, I don't think he's gay. Also, I feel like he's okay. He's straight. Podcast.
Oh, not that. And the guy,
yeah, but then anyway.
So no, yes. I don't know Una.
So cool. And then also, I wanted to ask you, no one comes so the outfit is
the metro.
The summers. Oh, the metros. Yeah, Ori, none comes Ori. The people that represented us there are the same people that are going to debate in July and are going to do the same thing. What did you mean by that?
What about the disappointing?
What is it disappointing? What
I just
happened?
think South Africa fashion, we are not there yet, you know?
And
compared
to what?
We don't have the designers. Designers are no. More a corset, mara aikomanya. A corset ikodioni maya tumbu. Like those girls in Nigeria. Corset in Ifaresa. Each danta you decide how you want it. So idioni jia tumbu. You can't breathe when you're in a corset.
So
and I'm like the vestic and the corset. I don't know. So a whole lot of things are wrong.
Was that?
I think the one the Dineo Ranak.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me get you a picture. But
how was the thing? The Makwanyas?
Oh no, people look nice.
I saw a rating which go fee it's a 4.
Really?
Yeah.
I think people are just hating on her.
Yeah. But we're talking about Venda, right?
Yeah, I think they're just
hate us.
Also, Asibanji bane bako mudiba as ndibo. You know, so bako skobonoru ndichi dana watching her red carpet. Maybe. But I think she looked nice and better than a lot of people.
Yeah, she's also sweet.
Yeah, she is.
She looks sweet.
Hey. Vazana vakakati.
No, sorry.
Vazana vakati dova sweet vanji. Echinambe chatine achikubva wai.
Yeah. No ways.
Okay.
And then what happens with the Met Galas? Because no don't go one and I. The outfit is our own.
Yeah,
what's that event for?
I don't know.
So people just go
Google
there,
it.
Bambara, and then
I don't want to know, but I it's not that every year because what? What?
So, Rihanna is pregnant again, bruh.
And then it's just ini niji dimbini ni juzam but do fangandara ban ngo dita Rihanna is not Rihanna ndobona mwako amore this person probably has 8 nannies nizongo dita Rihanna hey
ambra suthi ya ntuneko offset yeah it's okay, so Met Gala is a charity event for the Costume Institute. The tickets go around $75,000. What?
Charity. I don't believe that.
Okay, so what normally happens is fashion brands buy tables by inviting the guests or celebs at their table for them to wear their brands.
Okay.
Oh, so if Saint Laurent,
meaning pano people they could host that pano like your Makosa and then the Tumungu Makosa.
Because we don't have. Okay, now you got it.
Now David.
Oh yeah, Bocherti.
Yeah, no Bocherti.
Bocherti, yeah, those guys could do it.
Yeah, people
and then it's
like
limited
that.
to like 600 to 700 people.
So if you're part of them, $75,000. Damn.
No, factory ukorenga makosera ikoshikarenga tafula. Say let's just say 1 million. Yapanga batu vai.
Okay, makes sense.
Now it makes sense. Which go people that you see they will never wear what you want them to wear. Because I could fit Tyler wear some cotton.
Oh,
So whenever
Hillary Thailand don't even know No, for real. Not joking.
You lie.
Page. No, I'm telling you. No, article orenga one. I'm saying the niko mbora
I don't know why ndikufunga 2026 man. Because every time you do 2025 but
okay, Rokwasi.
Oh.
I told you I've seen this dress online. Ione.
This is the one though.
It is the same dress, bruh. What do you watch baji?
Oh. Shambari.
Exactly.
Why don't you have such things in Venda also?
Like what? Like an event?
Hey, we Met Gala, they don't bury one.
Mara Venda
uza. Utambara bo Bucks matrix suit.
Bucks udambara matrix suit anyi.
Bucks ni mtu wa matrix suit udamba ziwanga.
Nganda.
We only live in the Venda ti.
Venda ni ndana ene yoga, if you mean.
Mara yoga ti ndishikipa zvantu.
Mara batobono bra those stylisana. That's what fashion is.
Yes. Anyways, it's fine, man. Oh, I wanted to ask you, what's been happening? Like, the one thing that caught your eye that you're like, it's not vura, but don't diva.
I've been saying that for the whole year. So,
that one thing.
Something would drop and I'd okay, what actually
happened?
Speaking
of dropping, I feel like the miso. And
why Marachi does miso?
Actually, that's right. And that's what I feel like.
Is it intentional? Do you think it's a marketing thing?
I don't think so. No, I don't think it's PR.
I think Mkarabatu has two feds.
No, when I go feds,
Mara, wait. Ti ilantuni uploader like and you na the word I'm saying langan Wednesday. Oh yeah, just rethought of something. Ni uploader na.
How you got the verse 9, which is what? Friday.
Oh, Friday.
Yes, so
Mara no, automambo iwe dating.
Got numbers, you know, you should have verse 9.
I don't know. Let's wait till Friday. Matter why? Why is it always the case?
Remember the Mesophil album, the one year read album it took 2 years.
Okay. Speaking of albums, how is Goosebumps album? Did you take it?
Apparently, it's flop.
Really?
I didn't like it.
Why?
None of the songs. But at least he released on the thing, on the actual date that he said he would.
Oh, that counts, right?
Yeah, but not for album. I don't think that's the Goosebumps I know. Or that's the kind of music I'll listen to in Venda.
Don't you think this whole music thing gets very exhausting to a point where you don't know what how your fans are? Because post story.
Yeah, I had. No post story.
So I think you'll never please everyone in music.
But
don't you think?
Please, those that matter. Okay, who matters though?
Exactly. Well, how do you know who matters?
Who's streaming?
At least into Oida's listening session. Mizo.
And then also Mizo, I feel like equal album because the snippets is not quite what I mean.
I know I'm gonna listen to it. But Mizo is one person unedited. You know why when it comes to
and then like I always wait.
I'm gonna listen.
Order. But I don't think it's a Mizo. Is it a Mizo thing, Nati? Because I feel like what's this guy's name? Metro also. He also released an album.
Metro now.
This other guy, Metro CMG. You should check him out. No, I don't think you like his music.
Is he rap? On the meaning the rap?
Yeah, core rap.
Venda? Okay.
Like muzika wa rap.
Give them a try.
I think then I osaro ako hip hop yakho. JR doesn't do hip hop. He does, you know, piano is there everywhere.
Oh, performing a Sunday. Oh no, the Asafins.
Oh.
It's just when I see him, I always think I don't know.
Yeah.
Are they like a mellow and sleazy or something?
Hey. Yeah, so na Metro release and then I asked him, okay, where's the album? No record of Vanamusi. Then are you vaka Spotify page? Naka YouTube yo vaka topic. There's this thing in Nigeria saka you be so topic at the end of the artist name.
Shame.
Then I work like you. So I don't think it's a thing as the artist, you know. It's
probably a tech thing.
Mara ukuro sabotage wa rinen. Cause it's definitely if you virgin music in mizo, I think that's the one.
So it all engisa album ngakore.
I don't know. Maybe wala watu baso ngofesa na the terms probably somewhere. And the bangas de bambore.
Phone like episode ya next.
Awukufonela umuntu.
Ravudzisa mizo nemune. Ai. Hario phone ya mizo rambudzisa. Ai kashife.
If you finish story. Side ni adam dene yo vocal statement. Your vision music yone ayingweta zvone what.
Zvamba ndizvezvo. I don't think angazvipera company they know they're bad. If it wasn't true, don't you think?
No.
Anyways, let's give him. It's 2 more days. By the time this drops, it you know.
Yeah, so. If you're vanga 12, as they should. Tisland to the drop out of
your. Guys, no, I believe he's gonna do it. Come on.
I feel like the thing that caught me,
SABC.
SABC. Oh, there's SABC also. SABC, my SABC so tara guys. Murumba. It's funny how a lot of people came to me. It's funny how you said this is gonna happen. It's funny how you said this is gonna happen.
And you know what's gonna happen.
So here's what happens. I saw that thing.
Okay, Profita.
I'm not being a prophet or what.
Gabriel Profita. Oh damn, I am so good.
He's a messenger.
Oh shit.
Yeah. So what?
Oh yeah. I'm blind baby.
Yeah. No. So that was so dumb. Oh, that got me. Remember the name of the Mate for an interview?
I remember the whole star guy.
Yeah, it's
pretty
funny.
well.
He's a good guy. And actually, remember the project Yangaka company? Everything was smooth.
It was so funny. You're teaching this guy here, like
I was like, damn, don't be a sub.
They record your man. Now we meet again.
Yeah,
he's a good guy.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
So inina no ambori mean uribako do break up.
So here's what I said. I think I'm not sure who else was there. That have you seen? Or kazi duo kanyi dichi splitter. The person that makes it mostly the
vocalist.
And people don't know Matt. Dari Murumba, which if you Murumba pitch, people always think of me one.
Yeah.
Then those guys are like, yeah, you actually have a point, and there's no dinner. I mean, I told me music video. I mean, what about VC? One major league, those guys. Kope to upload one also quality.
Really?
And then Mate was there. I could have a newspaper, Marasuta Brown, I Madina, so on. And the last time, at least now, I mean, the one other music video, now go to the one other win. Because I was going to Murumba pitch, I will do Marini when it's Nanda Banamati. That I want Mati to come to the podcast. Remember, us just so, or una planning now, how is this thing going in case it was also Zate. Mateva Korea eyes, this is Zate.
I remember
the whole thing. And there's no state.
I remember the time he actually wanted to come and you pushed him away.
Well, Megan pushed him away also. I was in the first.
You were the first. Megan came second.
No, he had been playing.
So you
don't just decide on pushing away.
I remember that I don't faranga mat.
No, I do.
Hey, that's got to
That's going to buy why did she go ziperiwa? I feel like no dinner
he was drunk.
Yeah, I get it, yeah. So
but no, I don't matter. Already was Zina also when I'm going to post that you want to Murumba page. It's so weird. Matter page in the main one.
I saw him going to what's this thing? Is it Australia?
Oh, it's video. So did you see the video that he made? Akwamba, who did a voice over here?
I think that's
I am Mateo. What?
I think during the Ifanda phone and let's do a podcast. Don't phone after the whole saga. I was let's do a podcast. Refetch when I think. Or read. By the time it's ready, because also I'm trying to chase numbers.
Kuri is not ready to speak about it. It's not going to give them because it's omnibus.
Exactly.
Okay.
Let's just do this now. So then mate idani zino reshoot. Let's hear the whole thing. Subtitles but faces sorry yangi. And that's it, done. Simple as that.
That's dangerous, eh? And because the thing is, Mate Otomanayo Murumba Pitch. I remember. Yes, I remember Metric Dance when we were booking artists after party in Jerusalem. Murumba Pitch was booked in Abo Pindu.
Yes. No Pindu Brasi. This other guy,
Murumba Pitch.
Murumba Pitch now.
No, Murumba Pitch. I don't know. There's a lot going on there. But I think, yeah. Didn't they meet after? Because Yombo divided at some point.
Murumba Pitch in
Hey, Jambori, Mate Achimita May one. I've told me under a different name because Murumba Pitch exists already. I think. Then I think that's Zina Lali Lawe. Anyway.
Hey, I feel like Murumba Pitch in the mate. Zino overly rueda.
Yeah.
Namangrasi. Uniabaon.
Zamangrasi is shady nyana, hey? I don't like your tone. I don't like how you speak.
Did you say
Because imagine now
no. Yeah, it's going
you
to
could
14
actually
days
just
now.
die.
Of it be darling. After 40 days. No, so like
No matter 40 days, my chair.
so
But yeah.
what do you think is gonna happen though? Come at. Do you think he's still gonna do it alone? Can go to the focuser?
Maybe I want a good vocalist.
Where is he gonna
Mara,
get
here's
one?
the thing. Don't you think Nawala watch the connection as they were speaking and whatever? Also offer about the ula our vocalist. Wokabza. Wokabza mangasibize mati ngori bakona.
Baita zvine mati aita.
So they need the voice. It's tricky. Man, I'm just glad he's doing well business. Maybe we'll do it as a business.
That's what I was praying for.
You know what else he could do?
Business.
Angado it like I don't know. Ubana studio na mixera batu and just be the guy that's behind, you know, and just.
But then your name is gone, bro. Just like that.
Also, I don't know how this contract was worked out because I don't think ndingadana dzina lasko dala jiwa. I really want to know how things work.
By the look of things, I'm going to discuss what zina. Or discuss what business. I'm going to zina. That's why I'm going to show me such. Because I saw he's booked elsewhere outside the country. Some Murumba pitch. I
had. Now all of us are booked some Murumba pitch. So now ndabona Murumba pitch poster. Who is coming? Ndito mangana ndishepshuka pano.
Ndozibona achisvika. Ngamanda alana wongwala pasi uri mfimini the supporting of Murumba pitch. Ausina chinepe. Now you have to wonder which one is going to be there.
I don't know, man. I just feel like they should settle their differences by Baribudzori ndinyo faraudzina Japira. Like honestly.
One thing I know is that Mewan understand. He looks
why
greedy.
He
looks greedy, bruh. The fact you're only keeper, I just rango than a lot.
Because you did this, at least leave me with the name.
But then it's always money, bruh.
Exactly. Yeah, but if no labo a million, I'm like, okay, the least you can do is give me the name. At least in
the company.
Mata is very smart. Yeah. Mata ndi crook. That's no. Mata
is
Mata ndi kaya kuimaima. Ditaringwana. I'm not saying he did it, but Mata is like, yeah. Mata is street smart. I'm telling you. You're talking about your divided way, you know what I mean? I don't know. And that's when he will come back up. Because you don't think so?
I don't think so. Me one auditor at Tinanga Murumba Peach. And people think he's Murumba Peach. Because comments though tend to go check at TikTok. People are like, Murumba Peach, you know all the time. So now he has to fight all those guys.
It's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. Anyways, do you think Livhu Dobva?
Livhu Dobva. Mara.
But that case is not adding up, bro.
Murane. And what's in the SABC Livhu?
Oh, Shumana Livhu.
Ngamanda.
Cameras no istolwanga issue. No, so all cameras is away. I don't know, but I just feel like Namse already innocent. Like there should be something else he knows that he's not saying. Because how does that work?
Yeah,
I don't know.
It does.
Okay, so by the reajiva. Ninga drown and chilling and Mara, okay. Urminiene. As I'm over a vote.
Looking at the case.
Looking at the case.
So looking at the case, now I think it took over in seconds. I thought the lawyers were reckoned that they could hold the case and not fight the adjudicator. Now they're trying to fight the
What's
judge.
Adjudicator?
Don't you know what this?
What's an adjudicator? What's an adjudicator? What did you just say?
What
judge,
was the bruh? Like,
wait. Judge, look at the word adjudicator. Because I feel like Aju.
So what you are?
Hey.
I was 2 years old when I found out.
Just realize I'm not that smart. I'm just an engineer.
Honey, I'm not smart
Adjudicator.
at all. I am not smart at all.
Yeah, she is smart.
Yeah,
She just said yeah.
No ni mudzero na temba chone. Dipulufero langa.
Yeah.
Because they can see the judge is smart. As mtu akosokoya na mababe washechereza kwatelela every detail. If you make a mistake today and say something and repeat something tomorrow, you follow up on that. So the judge, I think, is way too smart for the case, and they're seeing this guy
will adjudicate them.
Ooh, adjudicator. I can't wait to use adjudicator.
Yo, bro, like
guys, I'm about to adjudicate you guys right now.
On what you're doing.
Yeah, I don't like what you're doing. May I please adjudicate this?
Yeah, so in that case, you're not angana na Andrea ni. What's called that too? Because apparently you guys are going to chapenga.
Ufimini?
You're going to chapenga. Hey, urichibe nga medical parole.
Hey. Nah, I don't know.
Mara, the moment you get to that, don't you think you know Rinaini guilty Jamori?
That's my chat.
Because now you acquaintance with prove Ori is guilty.
Abalabet, okay. Ene Maginya ndika murindi wa mini. What happened? What type of pit is it?
As a toilet.
Wait.
Mara, no.
Why wabako ya toilet ya dindini?
Asa ko we remember ako ve ko kokoba ngabo hlungwane.
Ako yo udibulaya.
What would this over one of you about Nako Kokobana? That was another question you would so.
And then go are usina mtu mubona wende na kamera zasa kushuma ndinyi wo mubona wako koko.
Ndibo hlungwane. Nentonga cha the Venda.
No, man. But for the sake of justice, man, I feel like Zion is near Kwamba. Come on.
If Ozita nendri kafari wala mtu kawanwe ndira ya ubudi runga aitiwe waite example ungai because that is GBV ni reibona rote Venda.
I'm telling you,
bra anamta sadibinga GBV SABC.
Yeah, rote reibona and ziko drega ngore. I feel like ziko ba is a family more. You know, it's very difficult for you to heal when all these things are happening. Banga sport is but yes. Family, you get it. So I don't know. I think justice must be served. I'm not saying he's guilty. Mara are which one
okay, afi are choose kare u guilty no re guilty ninga nanga mean afi zikaini zwi nanga.
I can't say that.
Tindi podcast inoni.
Mara ndinga why do you go to omunangelori omubona gogoba nakana wangu mubona.
I want to know where do you think he is? Do you think he's guilty or do you think he's innocent by the look of things? Judging from everything.
I don't know if he did it, but I know he's not completely innocent. Okay. Because like one of the voice notes the time where people still post those things and it's disturbing, especially that's what makes it worse. It makes it way worse. I feel like
it's a good thing I never went that route because I wanted to do law also, not an idiot of doing the principal. You know history.
Wonderful. Very right.
I don't know alone they don't go for science. And I was like, I'm not going to do science represented at law. Hey. Namanda each other.
Baba go general guy. Susan. Baba go see mashikoro.
No, remember I'm the kana principal. They're able to tell room to angaita meaning with life na mean. So I feel like what's born bari if ni wanga no recommendika grade 10 or grade 9 even so ndiko choose or niya goita history. In a kaba for reason na nyawo zwita nika law nika history ninga zwita nika science.
So you've got more options.
Exactly. Broaden options is
I think that's the only reason why I did science as well. Also, I hated numbers. I didn't want to do accounting. So
yeah, accounting was like because na ndo convince wana if can accounting I was like nah. Wo principal lebo no ambara zote.
Nandani chi CA.
Hey, CAUK.
Yeah, daba.
Why?
Ka AJV, ba AJV CA. There's one of the running club.
Hey, don't reach out to our batteries.
Hey, fuck boys of note, okay?
There's a fuck boy in every industry, man.
True.
Yeah.
I think it's
Maginya.
Oh yeah.
Maginya is a fuck boy.
Oh, Maginya,
bro. No,
Maginya, why?
You should learn a thing or two from me.
Why are you not learning from me too?
Maginya, when I was doing a podcast, when those people are talking, why do I hear so? Mike wayangi nangi usibe na sound na karne zwa kwenda so oh Yeah, because they don't need a sound. Mara you're takurandar yo away. But then anyways,
before damn.
Oh yeah,
yes. What do you think about it? Okay, so what happens to those that don't know? MacG Ori, the reason why Mini can't keep a man is probably because
her coochie
smells.
Oh yeah, coochie smells.
And now people are coming for him.
Do you think? No, that was gonna be a wrong question.
No, it's okay to ask.
No, I did ask you. Do you think it does? Maybe.
No, I don't think it does. She has all the money to do everything she wants to do. All the products.
Remember, MacG was just being spiteful, and then also, what's their beef? Seems like beef.
You're talking about like rape.
Oh yeah, Amada Ponte, right?
Because if MacG has raped you, Mini was part of the people that were supporting that.
Oh.
So I think already una anger, and MacG also have to eat girls that you've seen.
Yeah,
and now people are coming for his.
Are you an eat girl?
Parents are.
No, I'm just asking, man. What's an eat girl?
I'm not there yet. I think eat girls have money.
Are you an eat girl?
Eat girl. That girl, like you are that girl. I don't think I'm an eat girl. I think I am that girl.
Oh, eat girls chase money. That girl has money.
And she's still chasing it at the no vacation. She's still chasing it.
Because
how level you have if you can send. We're talking money.
Girl.
Huh?
Somebody she's an eat girl. That's what you were saying.
Normally they don't chase money that they want.
Because if you just saying is that woman.
That woman.
She has money. She doesn't have to chase it anyway. So that's so.
Okay.
Yeah, so but then the whole thing MacG, I get it. Hey, it's
I think Mararinero has the double standards as women. Because rape was bigger than this.
Yeah.
You know? And also there was a part I think the roast of Mini Lamini. Achiyambangori Kune's thing is probably is small or whatever.
Oh, like so that's right.
You get what I'm saying? I feel like there's a double standards. If Hoba who
don't you think women
imagine if Hoba women, yeah, I think we do. Imagine Kareroba women where the reason why MacG can't keep a woman is probably because he doesn't last in bed. That was not gonna. It's still an insult. You get what I'm saying? So
parliament.
I mean, Rina wanna rape guys.
And people don't care about that.
Principal, and you want to what?
Principal will cheer up, right? MacG has to suffer all these things just because Amang.
And I don't think they'll be able to cancel him with this. Come on.
I don't think there's ever a point where you can cancel. Okay, so in life, the moment you try and cancel someone, that's where they rise a lot. Look at you, Duty. Chingwa for Mrs.
Yes.
There's a lot that was happening, and then Atakuwa. Chidima, the same thing happened. Atakuwa. MacG is on it here before, and then the numbers are going up.
Yeah.
That's what happens all the time. Can someone just hate on us? I'm saying with those last year's was it? Nabar's vest and Amagini or Pulishi. Nah, man.
What are you talking about?
Nah. A time that
don't do that.
Oh, and then also, look at them that the hate is the podcast. What's wrong with Kespana? Nasol. Yeah, let's just say so. But then it's the whole podcast.
Mara Kespaba Mwamba like Jungwe. Actually, the MacG as so.
Hey, what it mean? How do
no, MacG is a Kespa. Nashino Uri Kespa or Waka Viujenevana, that was Caravema song is trash. He's always saying like,
I watched that one.
He's always saying,
that song is trash, bro.
That song is trash, bro. It's just a TikTok thing. What is that?
Yeah.
So, Naindi Mutu Kespa, and I totally get it. I just think So was too drunk for that situation.
I love you, bro. I love you.
You're feliz. No, I think he was too drunk. I think he was too drunk for it. So, yeah, other one moment is what if Saul was sober. We all know how smart Saul is.
People are busy saying, "Mfunze what the grudge na ndo amini." Because he's a pastor now, remember?
Damn. And he's supposed to forgive everyone. No, guys, he's not a pastor. He's not a pastor.
But then, still, not Remburu one, I mean, we expect you to live. I don't hold grudges. I knew you were going to give me that look. No, man.
Don't lie to the people.
Don't hold the grudge of any.
Don't need to say that.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah, that's a grudge. Let's leave it. No, hello, no, it was just solo ITU. So you did it. So that doesn't make and the inini West in your farena from the baby West.
I love Mate, man. He's chilled.
He's very chilled.
I'm an engineer because of him now. anyways, now we're 1 hour straight. It's not 5 minutes. So here's one thing I wanted to say to you. I think I spoke about this Matomo podcast where I shoot sometimes
time and whatever, yeah.
Time and cost. And I mean cost is a shooter, guys.
Yeah.
So at least yana what manaro naro
Ruburiro. Oh damn.
Yeah, I got to light magumena channel.
Yes.
Yes, smart man. Yeah, I got to cheza magumena and a channel. And then so this thing is gonna be official by next week Friday. So you know the way case we do? It's just a mini competition for you guys.
Okay.
See? So we've secured a sponsorship, a partnership, see? Okay. A whole year. 365 days. And a quarter day, and 365 and a quarter days. So that's so we got something, you know. I feel like we've been needing this thing, and then also you guys are shooters, we demoralize us also shoot, and I mean, you're like, because I always tell you guys, YouTube has no money,
yeah.
But then also shout out to the brand that came through. That's one we were pushing. Not today.
Okay.
They have to be mentioned next week when you officially launch the whole thing.
Oh,
but then
launch like
kind of
with everything.
Yeah.
I'm just asking.
You need to bear your border. Yeah, so here's what's happening now. The competition for you guys. Simple thing. When you go together on the comment section, YouTube, and the reason I put it here at the end, something. If you can guess the brand in a we've worked with so many brands.
So it's one of the brands we've worked with?
No.
Okay.
I'm not gonna say that obviously, even if it's there.
Damn.
But then just if the brand Venda, that's the hint I'm gonna give you. The brand Venda that we're gonna work with. It's a big brand. Serious. So not guess a number in DPO.
Oh, the winner minimum
1,000.
Oh,
what a comment.
That's why
I'm not gonna even say it here because you need to go to so yeah, it's simple as that, guys. So the countdown your Thomas, you're reveal sponsorship in DPO. So happy,
so we are going to drop it episode drop next week. Okay.
So Namusi, it's a Friday for those who watch each other dropper. Tomano commenter. By next week, Wednesday, probably that will end the competition.
Announce a
winner. And then 9 because one was the thing. But then
1,000
huh?
The first one.
The first one, I want to say we're going to randomize it. So, but then we'll just use the first one.
Yeah,
and the funny thing, I'm able to see Rotomo comment. So, I'm going to comment. Don't worry. I'm able to. So, yeah, man. I was just able to, at least someone finally saw it. Yeah. Something is happening, and then they are willing to risk it all.
Yeah, and these people were about to buy. When we saw Good Friday, because like
oh, I remember that time ndikini phone vatu vashumushimono waka background wakora oni pandela don't pandela mimi ndisiona so something like that. So
like yo don't know baba ndachitombura ndichupura ya toilet ndachiporotuwa ndikotoperekedziwa ndikoshabura and I was wearing white because kwama
toilet ya mobile
ndikobva Scots ndikoma Dar es Salaam.
Oh,
mobile toilet Dar es Salaam.
No, just you never know. Things are different. Yeah, so shout out to the brand Suzoite. And it's so risky, man. Partner on a podcast is very risky because we can say a good thing now, benefit, and then Macharas Karambas Richiwa, Rabarkote now. So taking that risk it really means a lot. But then for those when you go Renga's advertisement slots are sharing as a partnership for the years. So Rings advert slots. But watching Busori to Makab Gay to tell the no Bangori.
Why? Baka brand?
No, not Baka brand. Now I use the same price. I don't care if you're like
who you are.
Sasol is a bigger company in any. I'll use your gut as an example. Warning a brand so if you compare, I'm like, okay, if I need 10,000 from you, I'm gonna need 10,000 from you also. I don't care whether you're small.
Really? Okay.
So I know what's special. I don't care if you're making billions. I need 10K. and I don't care if you're making 500, I need 10K from you.
Damn.
So, but then anyways, do come and buy the adverse slots. I mean, so as we were right, branded it to Renew this year, road 50K, or the Shrika 50.
Then you got in the name of Jesus.
50K. And then also, I was thinking, man, maybe towards the end of the year, we should have the first live show. What do you think?
Yontonga, the one that we wanted to host outside, like shooting when people are around. Yeah,
so you should
be good.
Brace yourself. You have
then it was in
5 minus 12. We have like 6 months. We I don't
have a problem with public speaking.
The first 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then after I become free.
And then as you open at 2 seconds.
And then they're open. I don't know. I just feel like people are judging me. I feel
like I need your phones and your pims.
Okay, guys, I think we should leave. I'll see you on the next one. Coming at you live from Panda Studios, 01002329939 or info@pandastudios.com. If you want to know the 38 Miller Street, Bramfontein, any attack you don't call Napoleon. I check what she's writing. So, Maginia, I refer you to mobile. Engineer, we got the mini studio. Even the one engineer.